are, driving the oldest truck with no air, wearing the green shirt.
Got the owner working today.
Every day. What are we talking about?
Alright guys, so at the end of last episode, you guys were able to see us dig out the first two chambers, assemble the drainage system, backfill. Now we're moving on to the third and final large chamber. We need to dig it out, get all the pipes set up the drainage system, and once we backfill that, we will start connecting the pipe to various structures along the pipe that we also have to lay and run these alongside the road. Oh yeah, no, I love the beer.
So we are trying to get this whole pit dug today. It's about 60 loads. I think we're on track to get it done. What's it looking like to you?
I think we can get it done.
With 3 trucks now?
If we keep this pace.
The rock will be a little bit of a slowdown, but not bad. We're taking this to Jenkins Road. That truck. And Mr. Meadows came through. Thanks, Mr. Meadows. Helped me out a bunch.
That's good.
Yeah, it's always nice when it works.
You'll go through a whole tank all day.
$400 in fuel today in this truck. People want to know why you charge $130 an hour. It's like, well, I mean, 4 hours just to cover the fuel bill. Yeah. And then the driver's going to take 2.5, 3 hours. And then you got maybe 2 hours of propping. The truck doesn't break with tires and oil, and it doesn't make sense. So we had 13 trucks. We sold 10 of them because it just didn't make sense. You're holding $1.5 million at the time for 10 trucks. They were $250,000 a piece, give or take.
Goodness.
225,000 a piece. So 10 trucks was $2 million.
Yeah.
Now they're 300,000 a piece. So it'd be over $3 million to hold 10 trucks. It just doesn't make sense. I'm gonna drop Zach off to get some lunch for the guys. I'm gonna it'll pay for lunch while he's getting lunch. We're gonna eat some lunch and then get this hole finished up. So I think we can get it done. Stay tuned. This is the last underground detention chamber in this 6-chamber system. So hope you enjoyed the videos. Thanks for watching.
Alright guys, it is Thursday. We're back at Drury. As you can see, this is our final chamber. We've got it pretty much filled in with gravel. We have everything put together, the pipe. What we'll be doing today is, see this big structure we put in earlier this week. We're going to be running some pipe. We're going to have to dig out a trench in between and connect it to that structure that we put in not too long ago. And then we're also going to be running that structure up towards the excavator. We're going to lay some pipe, and there's going to be another structure there that it connects to. So we're really hoping that we can finish this week strong and finish this up. We've been working on this a long time. I do apologize, I haven't gotten a ton of film of this one. We've been a little bit short-handed, so I've really been having to get my hands dirty and do some work. But excited to see this thing come together and hopefully finish. site is absolutely bumping right now. They have several concrete trucks rolling in and out. They got a huge concrete crane they're pumping. We got Larry on the skid steer. He's grabbing some of our big concrete pipe. Brad's in the Mini X. We're having to dig this trench, lay this pipe right alongside Shallowford Road, which is one of Chattanooga's busiest roads, as well as this fence, while they're working on rebar and starting to pour everything over there. And there's trucks, all types of equipment rolling. Stay tuned, we'll knock this out.
What's up, Zach? How's it going today, buddy?
It's going good. Is this where the other box goes?
It's supposed to. Update your weenie, Zach, because we're here till fucking it's done.
We get it done by noon.
Good. Brandon quit fucking around, show up on time, I mean.
Head back up to Powell.
So I feel like that's all I ever do is go to Powell.
You gotta be getting close up there.
Close-ish. Close-ish. My gloves are under here. Try to be good and not get my new truck dirty. I just give up. I'm a lot of stuff. It's not tacky. Let's take it in Tesla.
Black.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to do everything in black now.
Once you go black, can't go back.
Once you go black, you can't
I
go
like
back.
the black one.
It's hard to keep clean.
Yeah,
I have that car wash membership.
when it's clean though, it's sharp.
My glove? I know you're dirty, but
Good, yeah. We're wallering in it all day.
I'm trying to be good to my new truck.
Yeah, too.
So how we doing?
I think we're doing good. I'm right at the box. They're finishing my gravel down there behind me. And then, well, look at this damn trench. I mean,
I see the spoil pile. Alright, so that pipe will go in today.
out of the street today.
Put that box in, try to make the turn.
Then I'll make my stubs out here and we'll cap them. And then
There's for a little while.
yep, I'll get a heritage up down there. Oh, yeah. All I could do is build me a berm. And
Yeah, hold it back. Looks good. Alright, well I'm out of here.
awesome. So enjoy.
Thank you. Appreciate you, Zach.
Absolutely.
Had a good dinner last night.
So last night, Joe, Sarah, Josh, and Christy, they took me and my wife out to eat. We're actually expecting our first child any day now, which is exciting, but they wanted to go over some of the things that we could expect at the hospital. Had a great time. It was really insightful. You know, that's one of the perks working for a smaller company, the relationships you get to build, especially with management, everything like that. I mean, I look up to these guys. I wish I got some photos to show it in here, but we had a great time and I'm very appreciative of y'all. Thank you. Thank you.
See you guys. Clean that camera for you. It's gotta be terrible.
It gets dusty.
All right, off to Powell. Y'all have fun. Get it done.
Absolutely. So what are we about to do here?
Use the crane.
We're about to use the crane to move what?
HDP 15-inch pipe.
indestructible. Alright guys, we're back at Drury. Yesterday, as you see, we were digging the trench and laying the pipe. We got all that laid out. We have two structures in there that we're connecting, as well as we're running some big concrete pipe up and connecting to a storm drain in the road. I'll show you real quick. So we got the manhole in there. Rain's gonna be coming in probably hour and a half, 2 hours. Got to try and beat it. Just like that, like it never even happened.